Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to recover your Grubhub account. For that you just need to open their app, and now what you need to do is tap on sign in button, and you'll have to sign in with your Google, Amazon, or your or many other platforms. Just select that, and that will log you in straight without any password or anything. And if you have any trouble logging in, just go to their website on your browser. Just enter GRUBHUB help center and tap on contact us, and there you can chat with Grubhub assistant or their representative, and they will help you solve the problem. And it's not available in my region, so I couldn't show you properly. Just you can follow that, you can simply follow whatever I said, and you can also Gmail or you can also send them Gmail. This is their official Gmail. Just just submit an appeal form on this email, and they will reach you out. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.